Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Shopify in 2026 for a while now and you just want to go ahead and enable Apple Pay. Well, Apple Pay makes checkout faster for iPhone and Mac users. So in this video, I will show you how to enable Apple Pay on Shopify in the 2026 version. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, we're gonna go to shopify.com all the way. Tap on this login profile. Now they're gonna ask you to do a quick login or sign up using your email address and password. As for now, you can access the payment provider by tapping on Activate if you are new to Shopify. Otherwise, it's totally fine to go through settings and look for these options. Now, you should enable the Shopify payment. Apple Pay works only with Shopify payments. You can also tap on choose a provider. They're gonna take you to this third party. Basically, you can pick whichever you want. You can also use PayPal. Manual payment method. You can basically put bank deposit, money order, cash on delivery. It depends on you. And here it goes. Apple Wallet Passes. Give customers a digital Apple Wallet pass to use online or in your retail stores. So you can go all the way, tap on customize, put all of them info needed. So after it's fully done, after turning on Apple Pay and everything else, check eligibility, ensure your country and currency support Apple Pay. Then preview the checkout. Test Apple Pay on a compatible device. If it's totally working, then it's fine. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.